about roti, kabra और मकान. जब मकान की बात आती है, it's that beautiful space. चाहे वो space हो, the very wondrous Kiba X Olsen. So let's give it up for Restaurator Neeti Goyal, philanthropist and restaurator. Our director, Mr. Sunil Kavnekar, director of Society Interiors and Design, and the bright lady who is shining throughout, Jayashree Damankar ji. Please kindly रखना है, I understand. ताली नहीं बजा सकते हैं. Please photo लीजिए और ढेर सारे videos लीजिए and let it go viral all over. But feel free to cheer, say wow, amazing, Rakul, Jackie, जो भी आपके दिल में आए. Right? Society, architect Vivek, जो भी आपके दिल में आए. But please cheer and celebrate this amazing moment. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm truly elated. My name is Simran Ahuja and I have my favorite stars here. आप सभी अपना टाइम देख लें. 4 बज गए हैं लेकिन पार्टी तो अब शुरू हो रही है. हम बेहद मोहब्बत करते हैं with both us. हम मुझे मालूम है लेकिन अभी दोपहर का है ना सर, तो अभी तो शुरू हो रही है ना हमारी पार्टी. इसलिए सब रात तक चलेगी, सुबह तक चलेगी, आप इजाजत देंगे तो. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Vivek Bhole's beautiful project on the cover page, including a lot of renowned architects, the brilliant work by our interior designers. But the entire credit goes to this beautiful lady behind. Well, अगर उनका साथ और हमारे prestigious Vivek Bhole Architects Private Limited का विकास. So thank you. It looks like a beautiful family with 3 absolutely gorgeous couples who are here with us. ये पहली बार हो रहा है हमारे entire record of Society Interiors and Design के unveiling में that we have 3 beautiful, not just couples, but at the same time the ones who truly created that mark of what the personification of love is. So before we go ahead, friends, ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, we've all fallen in love with Rakul Preet Singh, who started a career with South films and then won hearts with the brilliant performances in our Bollywood films. Unke gaane have also been numero uno, as much as when she shakes her leg, let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, all eyes are only on her, not on the hero at all. And that is the brilliance we have of Rakul Preet Singh. Zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Rakul, हम सब आपके दीवाने हैं, फैंस तो हैं लेकिन दीवाने भी हैं. और आज आप दोनों को साथ में देखे तो मैं तो completely on a different level पर हूँ. And of course, let me tell you something I got to know today about Jackie. So we always introduce him as an actor, a producer, Jackie Bhavnani, but I had no idea that you are a renowned developer as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the one and only actor, producer, developer, Jackie Bhavnani. Come on everyone, let's cheer one more time. A very dynamic Ashok Damankar, who's been the force behind Magnet Publishing, always put his heart and soul, at the same time encouraged and empowers the youth of today. Ladies and gentlemen, are we excited for the grand unveiling?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Should we go ahead for the unveiling?
Of course.
Alright. So, one. Countdown. Sir, sorry. Jackie के पास जाते हैं. Jackie. What's your lucky number? 5. Okay. So we're going to do both. 5 or 1 ONE because Rakul का lucky number दोनों. We're going to have the countdown of 5. Architect Vivek, Architect Yogita. Yes, I want the. Ladies and gentlemen, right from a Telugu cinema with Venkatadri Express and Dhruva to the multi-industry star with Yari, the versatile performer with Dede Pyade and Dr. G Show. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2024, a beautiful new chapter with the rock star Jackie Bhavnani. Ladies and gentlemen, and here we have a very talented, supremely stunning and gorgeous Rakul Preet Singh. And let's go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, who's always given us brilliant performances with the characters he's played. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's put our hands together for Jackie Bhavnani. A lot of projects of architect Vivek has been with you, Jackie, and your dad. And we are so proud. You're carrying the legacy forward of a living legend. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start with Vivek ji. आपसे 2 शब्द सुनना चाहेंगे. How does it feel at first being here It's the first time ever that we have our superstars who join us here. You know, at Society He's a designer. आपका तो इतना खूबसूरत रिश्ता है with the family of the Bagnanis. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Architect Vivek Boleji, come on, whose project is on the cover and the superstar of the cover page.
Thank you. So, thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Vipul, for coming here for me. I think I can tell you this. I really tried hard to get attention of his father in one of the functions so that I actually get some more money. And then my personal relationship with Jackie is like we can say like brother.
Depends on the day.
And less of client and more of a friend. So it is wonderful to watch, to work. We work till late night, up to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in the morning. We have worked on design. And his father's and his dedication toward work is so much that you get inspired out of their sheer hard work. You know? So, in fact, now I wish Jackie a success and he can carry forward the legacy of his father as a developer. So, and hope he continue me as his architect as well.
Thank you. I can see a lot of warmth, you know, with the sharing and caring that's taking place here. I know we are waiting for this most awaited moment where we get to hear from them. But before that, I'm going to invite Architect Vivek sir, your sister, who's also the director, Rekha Chaudhary ji, and your brother, Milind Bole ji. Please kindly join us here. The directors of Vivek Bole Architects Private Limited. I'm also going to welcome Shravan Kukreja and Mohit Chadda, both of you also to kindly be here with my dignitaries. And now, just by ground sabri se intezar kar rahe the, it's always about that favorite space. मैं हर एक space the numero uno, she aces it big time. Rakul, it's such an honor. So मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, सबसे पहले तो मुझे बताएं आपके घर में आपका वो कौन सा where you really know कि this space brings us magic.
Hi everyone, congratulations Vivek ji for the launch of the magazine. I think Jackie's going to agree to it. Our favorite space is our bedroom, okay? Because I feel like every time...
Please complete it.
Yeah, I said because... No, I'll tell you why. Because it's just made in such, with the right colors, the right space, and I think the energy in the room, you know, the first place you go to once you're back home is you enter your bedroom and you keep your things and you just, you know, lay on the bed and I just feel like, or the couch, and it's just, the energy is serene. And we feel, and we've discussed this before, that no matter how tired we are, the moment we enter that space, we're like, we're home. So it gives a feeling of home.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Rakul. And Rakul is so excited. What would Jackie like to say about the same thing, same feeling? Well, friends, this is the beauty. मैंने पहले ही कहा था, it's the personification of love. Sir, बिल्कुल आपने सही निशाना मारा है. Appreciate it. But I'm going to definitely let brilliant films like Bell Bottom and Mission Ganj. Again, the new chapter. जो new chapter की शुरुआत हुई है. Let me tell you, we can't take our eyes of both of them. And now, जैसे कि आर्किटेक्ट विवेक बोले जी ने कहा कि इनसे पूछे किसने बनाया, हम पूछना चाहेंगे जैकी से आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? How does it feel being here with the unveiling of Society Interiors and Design? Jackie Baghnani for us, everybody, make some noise. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I know Vivek ji for 20 years. I was a teenager. And I used to see, if my father's made 40 buildings, 39 he's designed. And I've been part of that 3 a.m., 4 a.m. journeys sometimes because I used to go, they used to plan. My father always called Vivek ji like a genius because how to consume full FSI. He's a master at it, right? Many good memories, and I am just happy and proud to be here to unveil this magazine. And yeah, thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much for sharing those few words. And sir, it's a very special moment. I'm going to have a lovely picture photo op with you, Yogita ma'am, your sister, and everyone. And if y'all spare us only 4 minutes, I promise I'll finish the felicitations. But aapki ijazat ho to, please, 4 minutes or. Yeah, but we have few dignitaries who join us here. If you don't mind, I promise, 4 minutes please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, it gives us a huge honor. Sabse pehle, Neeti Goyal, the renowned restaurateur. And we love this beautiful place. Kiva X All Saints, philanthropist Neeti Goyal. Yeah, this place is restaurateur Neeti Goyal. Ashok sir, please join us sir, please. Ashok sir, please. Thank you very much. We're going to have lots of questions from you, architect. Of course, the beautiful proceedings after this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to welcome Mohit Chadda. It's a very special moment. Rekha ji, please accept this. Prakash Patil sir, our project director TCC, Prakash Patil ji. Please kindly join us here. Welcoming Ketan. Welcoming industrialist Dr. Anil Murarka ji of Mirachem Industries, our living legend. Ketan ji, Manisha ji, please aa jaye. Neeti Goyal, thank you so much. Welcoming Anil Murarka ji, Dr. Anil Murarka sir of Mirachem Industries, the philanthropist. Yeah, he looks younger and younger day by day. Dr. Anil Murarka ji, yes. Yes, please. We have a token of love by Dr. Anil Murarka for them. So first, accept your felicitation and then you can do that. I'm going to welcome Danesh Chadda, please. Danesh Chadda to kindly join us here. Who's been the world-renowned designer, always our just men. We never knew men could be so fashionable until we experienced the brilliant work of Danesh Chadda. Welcoming Kisle of Bright Outdoor Media. Kisle ji, please join us here. We'd like to thank Bright Outdoor Media. Welcoming Ganpat Kothari ji, the president of Rajasthan Foundation, to kindly join us here. Please, to kindly join us here. Requesting Hemanti Sutaria ji, please to quickly join us. Hemanti Sutaria ji, please. Thank you. And then I'm going to request Raghunath for a picture. A humble request, Vedam Gill of Nara PR and Image Strategist to kindly join us here. What are your future projects?
So what had happened, we actually take our practice from redevelopment to high-rise malls, and now very large-scale townships. So what has happened, the architecture practice involves, so we initially thought architecture is just design and design architecture. So today we call it architecture 5.0, we just started from materiality, then technology, then came digital world, and then came parametric and all sorts of technologies. Today is human-centered.
Wow. Architect Vivek Bhore sir, खरंच आम्हाला फार आनंद वाटते. आपण फार आभारी आहोत, knowing and sharing your vision and being a trailblazer in this brilliant world of architects, interior design, and real estate. And now, friends, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have lovely photos. But before that, I'm going to request Ashok Damankar sir to share a few words. Today we had the unveiling by the hands of Rakulpreet Singh and Jackie Baglani, जिनके projects sir ने बनाए हैं. Sir, please दो शब्द आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे. क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give it up for the very dynamic Ashok Damankar ji.
Thank you friends for coming over here. I would like to thank Neeti for extending such wonderful hospitality and giving us a chance to present the society interior design, the latest issue. Also, I would like to thank Vivek Bhore for giving us such wonderful chance to present his work through our medium, Society Interior and Design magazine. Okay, friends, this is something which is an extraordinary project, and we are very thankful for Vivek allowing us to put it on our cover and present to through our readers. Okay, which will be they will be very delighted and happy to read this whole entire feature. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And here is the last question of the evening before we go ahead with lots of photo ops with this backdrop. जहाँ चाहेंगे आप सब भी आएं. Vivek sir, I want you to share with us your beautiful relation you have with Society Interiors and Design and a very dynamic Ashok Damankar sir. May I please request you for a few words?
So, I'm attending Society Interiors programs and I'm following their magazine, their coverages for the last 20 years. And many times, Swati Madam requested me to put some particular special paragraphs on a particular topic which was being covered. What I have seen, their magazine is a comprehensive combination
Ji.
of architecture, interiors, the knowledge. It's more of you can say a knowledge sharing magazine than just a fashion magazine. Most of the time when it comes to interiors, interiors are associated with more with fashion. But Society Interiors is not just fashion magazine.
Wow. Wow, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. But right now, we're going to request you for a fashionable pose with the backdrop, along with my beautiful family and Yoginda ji. So we're going to have, yes, sir. Sure. We awaiting the presence of Kukreja ji, of course. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, आप सबकी शुक्रगुजार हूँ. आप सबने इतने अच्छी तरह से हमें साथ दिया और अभी धीरे-धीरे बात कर रहे हैं, which is absolutely fine. We're going to go ahead, sir. Can we have photo ops made by? And yes, and also one side I want you, sir, and one side, sir, and Yoginda ma'am, and one side you and Jayashree to show the project. Please, Ajay. Sir, different social media handles, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, सब पे different photos होने.
Thank Vivek sir for his vision. With his vision, he started architectural practice, and Yogita madam accompanied his vision and made it into a success throughout the years, and legacy will continue year onwards. So I joined Vivek Gole Architects 16 years back.
Wow, that's a good number, sweet 16. Wow.
Before joining this firm, I worked with several architects who were like gold medalists in their institution. So I was again lucky with the topper of JJ College, and this opportunity I grabbed quite early in my career that I would like to consolidate my work position with Vivek sir and learn many things from his passion. And when I joined, I didn't know that what was the housing, but I learned all minor details of the housing sector, and today that is the biggest portfolio of our company, and I have seen transformation of Vivek sir over the years, and after before just 2015-16 we have identified the change in the Vivek sir's outreach to market, and
wow.
He has transformed himself to maybe delivering lecture on the
Interiors and Designs February issue and meeting.
Wonderful experience, and it's really great to be here.
What are your views on the project that has been featured by architect Vivek Gole?
Vivek Gole architecture is one of the best in the world, I can say, and the architectural design and the building looks like world class.
So sir, how do you feel being here today?
It has been a very good and very fabulous experience being here, and humbled to be here.
What do you think about the project that's featured here, sir?
This signature Vivek Gole takes a lot for an architect to develop a signature, and this project is signature in Renaissance style.
Sir, how do you feel today that your project has been featured on the cover of Society in Genius in Design?
Magazine has featured me in the project involving the there are so many more projects inside the magazine. The magazine like all types of projects. The scientific projects, analysis, redevelopment projects, and of course, Puja and the number of projects ranging from college commercial highway in the city of Nagpur to the iconic high-end villa project in some townships.
Tell us about the project that's on the cover, sir.
The project which is a project completed in 2016 on Manavilla Park. So it was the college residential identified building for 15 months in the country. The funding has been very featured. This is a sustainable platinum rated new building. We have taken part of this project, which is comprising of almost 700 houses. It's a renovated new building. Running as multiple features, like almost every apartment has got a 360-degree view with small water bodies and every apartment has a swimming pool. And then we say that the biggest intense topic and the biggest chandelier in the world. So we are trying to inside here, building has got many records on its name, including the best highways and residential development in the world. So the award was given by Bloomberg. Almost 50 years from being back. Also has got CNBC award, almost 27 national and international award to build.
Thank you.
Designs February issue unveiling.
Yes, very fantastic. And in fact, covering the architects, what is the architect they are doing, what is their best things coming forward, and people are really displaying it without coming at in the magazine. People don't know what the things are happening, and you are doing fantastic job.
Ashok ji, how does it feel today the issue has been unveiled by Jackie Mandani and Prakriti?
Yeah, it is a great moment for us, especially when Vivek और शुभम उन्होंने हमको एक चांस दिया अपना एक वेरी प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोजेक्ट अपने मैगजीन के कवर पे डालकर उसको हमारे रीडर के थ्रू काफ़ी लोगों तक पहुंचाने का एक मौका दिया। उसके लिए मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ उनका एंड ग्रेटफुल टू विवेक।
Sir, why did you choose this Vivek this project?
Well, he is an iconic architect who's been doing an extraordinary job in last 30 years. So I think he is the most preferred person and architect. And it is a great moment for us to feature his dream project on our cover, Society Interior.
Thank you.
Sir, straight.
You have little space. Beautiful. We are in love with the cover page. Take a look at the project of Vivek Gore Architects. His vision, which has become a reality, ladies and gentlemen, truly a change maker. Several photo ops for this grand unveiling. ONE! Let's lift it up! Yay! I mean, we love the AI world. Mr. Manny join us here. Vivek Gore Architects Private Limited. Beautiful team to join us for this photo op. And feel free, if you're young enough to go down on your knees, feel free to do it. Architects Vivek functional, elegant and eco-friendly. He has worked on luxury residences, commercial spaces, urban projects, earning recognition for innovative designs and attention to detail. Well, ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you.
I'm going to please invite my beautiful family of society, interiors and design, our Magna team. Andrea Costabear, Shivendra Parihar, Japisha Sohani, and Mario, please.
Go.